Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by selecting evidence that proves performance. Pick 5 concrete examples directly tied to goals or metrics. Explain what you did, the timeline and measurable outcomes. Numbers matter. Once done, briefly state how each example maps to a competency or goal. Make sure to label your role and impact. Don't spend time on generalities. Focus on results and your contribution. This first step converts vague claims into verifiable stories you can reuse throughout the appraisal conversation. You now craft each answer using situation action result. Briefly set the context, describe your decisive action, and state the measurable result. Emphasize the why. You chose that approach because it addressed a priority, and the how, tools, stakeholders, or constraints. Once you frame SAR, add a one-sentence lesson and next step to show learning and momentum. Make sure to prepare 2-3 SARs for likely questions, so you can adapt them naturally during the appraisal without sounding rehearsed. You finish by proposing a concise development plan, 1 or 2 growth goals, expected timelines, and the support you need. Explain how these goals align with team priorities and what success will look like. Once done, summarize your contributions and express openness to feedback. Make sure to ask one clarifying question about priorities. Troubleshooting tip: if you hit pushback, calmly restate the data-backed result and offer an alternative that reduces risk. This keeps the conversation constructive and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.